We're asked to calculate the hydroxide ion concentration and the pH of a saturated magnesium hydroxide solution. We want to construct an ice table. Before any of the salt dissolves, we don't have either ion in solution to significant extent. Every S moles of magnesium hydroxide gives us S moles of magnesium, 2 S moles of hydroxide. Equilibrium is the initial plus the change. So we have S and 2S. So we can substitute in to our equilibrium constant expression S, 2S quantity squared, or 4S to the third. So KSP is going to be equal to 4S to the third. Rearranging, we have S to the third is equal to KSP over 4. Or if we want to solve for S, we raise KSP divided by 4 to the 0.333 power. And for S, we get 1.12 times 10 to the minus 4 moles per liter. Now that we have S, we can go back and answer our question. Our question first asks for the hydroxide ion concentration, which is equal to 2S, okay, as we see from our ice table. And numerically, that's going to be equal to 2.24 times 10 to the minus 4. 2 sig figs justified. 2.2 times 10 to the minus 4 moles per liter. Okay, for pH, we can first calculate pOH. Which is 3.650. So our pH is 10.35. And looking at our sig figs, we see we can justify 2 sig figs, which means 2 decimal places. And the correct pH with the right number of sig figs is 10.35.